Well, food is the cornerstone of the holiday season, and it brings so many friends and family together to share memories, cultural traditions, and of course, yummy food. Great flavors.
Please. You may remember our next guest from his delicious, healthy Latino recipes that he put together in a cookbook called Sabores de Cuba.
Muy bien.
There he is. Chef Ronaldo Linares is back, and he's giving us a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your holiday extra special with a Latino-inspired spread.
Are you smelling this deliciousness right now?
I love what I'm seeing. I don't know what it all
Chef,
is.
how are
What's
you?
up? Abrazos.
Chef.
All right.
How are you?
Breast
So glad that
tax.
you're back.
Did you have an elf on the shelf?
Oh, no. I'm Cuban,
No.
Colombian, no elf on the shelf. But my kids have elf on the shelf.
Obvio. Obvio.
And, oh my God, what a pain every morning. So like one day they didn't sleep over the house, except at grandma's. They came and didn't move. I'm like, no, he only moves when you're here.
That's right. It makes you have to be fast.
You
on
gotta
your
be-
feet.
yeah,
You gotta be fast on the feet. So Elvis, I can't wait till he's done. Put him back in the box.
Put him back in the box, but he always comes back.
Second order of business.
brought
What
some
is the staple dish at your holiday table?
My holiday table's gotta be pernil, roast pork, garlic, onions, oranges. Oh, I mean, all that nicely cooked. But one of my favorite things, what you see here, my mami, used to make this avena milkshake for us. So a lot of
And
this
for those of you who, who don't know Avena milkshake, tell them.
oatmeal milkshake.
oatmeal.
Yeah, so it's really good.
Avena.
So we'll go through that. And to find a lot of these recipes here and to share more moments, you go to makemilkmoments.com.
All
But
right.
anyway, let's go here.
Let's start with
Let's
the
make it
Avena.
up.
So the avena, so we're gonna get the leche. We're gonna put it right in. So we're gonna put about
I remember my
3 cups of
mom
milk.
used to say she had Avena every morning in Puerto Rico, and I thought, it's so
We got
hot
the
in Puerto
Avena.
Rico. You have oatmeal in the morning, and she was like, yes, of course.
This right here.
What is that?
Leche condensada,
condensed
condensed
milk.
milk. All right,
Leche
you can't put
condensada.
sugar. This gives it a special sweetness and a special touch.
Oh, look at how that
Definitely
goes in.
brings,
Oh my God.
Fat-free. No sugar.
and it's fat-free, no
Goodbye.
sugar.
Goodbye.
We put in a nice ripe banana.
How do you, that's
If-
ananas.
Bananas.
No, bananas.
Guineos or
Guineos.
banano, yeah.
I'll
And
get it
then
one day.
un poquito de canela, a little bit of cinnamon.
Canela, I know her.
Yeah. So if banana is not ugly like this, ain't good for the shake.
No,
all
because
right?
it's sweetest like this.
Exactly. So we're gonna put this top on. We're gonna make sure it's on. Y la avena, the oatmeal. Where did you put it in? It was right over here.
Wow.
We were too busy
We were
yapping.
too busy
Nah,
yapping.
it's all good. That's what I'm here for. I'm your chef.
Thank you.
You guys
We
do your
have a
job
good
today.
time.
rolling
You
along.
make the
Yeah.
food.
So while that's mixing here, it's gonna mix for about a minute.
Okay.
For TV purposes, it's too loud and we don't want to annoy anybody, right? We're gonna come in, we're gonna turn it off, make sure it's off, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And we got some nice ice
pour
in
it
there
over
for you,
ice.
lady. Oh, of course.
Look at
And
this.
if you want to make it a little adultified, right? Para los adultos, you add a little bit of rum in there,
wow.
mix it, and then we're good to go.
You know what? And you can feel good about drinking this because it's packed full of protein.
Yes.
And
Here you
potassium.
go. Oh, yeah.
Muchísimas gracias. Cheers.
Exactly.
Cheers.
How is that? So take a little sip. So let's move over here. So here we got a cheesy yuca mash. Cassava. Feel
Wow.
that. This is nice. That's what you want,
That
nice and
means
heavy.
business.
This is business. You can use it as a weapon,
Yeah, you can.
but most likely you want the cooking, right? So that's a yuca. Not yaca, is yuca.
Yuca.
You have some nice low moisture
Not yaca.
mozzarella cheese, a little bit of salt, Irish butter. That's all cooked together, mashed up. And then you get this wonderful.
Pero toma esta yuca, pesa un
Dámela ahí,
quintal, gracias.
disculpa. Here you go, Alice. I want you to taste
Thank
that.
you.
It is warm. It's a lot of.
This is a yuca
temperature
mash.
is the yuca mash. So you take the yuca, you cook it, you mash it up.
It's like the
little
Latino
light moisture
version of
cheese.
grits. A little bit.
There you go.
Oh, that's nice.
So these are
That
the
is
kind
delicious.
of sides that you will have your pernil, and then this right here, I will have that as a drink to accompany my pernil.
Really?
Then
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna incorporate this into my morning routine.
I would
good.
start this in the morning to be prepared for all the
And a little
cooking.
protein powder.
Right, to be
Yeah,
prepared
yeah.
for the
Oh, yeah.
day of cooking.
Little protein powder
and
after a
then
nice
finish with
workout.
this business.
Yeah, he knows. He knows.
I know.
Unbelievable.
She's a fitness advocate as well as I. So if
Sporty,
we put in
sporty.
stuff, we add it in, right?
That's right.
You
Yeah,
gotta
that's
stay
right.
looking sexy, you know?
You gotta stay looking. Get it right and get it tight.
Get it right, get it tight.
Get it right and get
sexy.
it tight.
Chef,
Okay.
thank you so much.
No, it's my pleasure being
really
here.
good.
I'm glad. I hope I was able to teach you something, and
Yes.
you out there get cooking.
There, get cooking. Follow him on Instagram, Chef
Yes.
Ronaldo Linares. You can also find these recipes and more on our website at pix11.com.
This is good. I learned 2 new things today.